How to link a website in Notion. This is the easiest way to connect your notes with an external resources. Whether you want to add a reference, a tool, or full web page, Notion lets you turn any URL into a clickable link in seconds. So let me show you how you can do this. And firstly, let's say I will type text like in this video, you will find solution. So in this video, you will find solution. And now let's say I want to make a clickable link. If someone clicks on this video text, so I can select it. And from this drop down, you want to click on add link. Now we can go to Chrome or any browser you want. And you want to simply copy the link and paste it here, right? And now if someone clicks on this video, it's going to redirect him automatically to your website or video you want. Now the second way how you can do this is by using a bookmark. So I'm gonna press slash book and you want to choose this web bookmark. So select it and just paste your link of your video or your website, and then it's going to embed it in like Notion like this, all right? And then you just have to click on it and it's going to redirect you to the page. So this was how to link website in Notion. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.